Hello guys, today we are going to see the first tutorial of HTML5. HTML is really an interesting thing actually. HTML is currently being used for making websites. Um, it's pretty a basic thing to be precise actually. HTML actually for making a website we need mostly three coding programs like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML is the pretty most basic thing actually. Um, these three work like together like a friends actually. HTML is like a mason who builds a building. CSS is like a painter or artist who decorates the building, and JavaScript is the mechanic who, for example, who makes water connection or electricity supply for the building. So when these three join together to make a house, that house is called as HTML, I mean a website. So it's pretty the basic thing. So before learning HTML, we should see where it's being used. So I am clicking my Mozilla here, opening a new tab. Wait a minute, just refreshing it. It is opening right now, and let me click it. We can go for any website if you like. I'm going for iplT20.com. There you could see it's loading. Mm, yeah, it's loading. Mm, let me go to the website of it. Yeah, you could see the website. It's pretty good and it's pretty fantastic also. Um, if you could right click, you could see lots of options coming there, and in which you should click inspect element. In there, you could see a small box loading up, in which if you could go to the top of it, you could see HTML, doc type HTML, and you could see lots of codings which follow it. So I have shown this box to make you understand that HTML is the basic of all websites which you make. Just I said, HTML is like a mason who builds a building. It is also like that only mostly. It builds a website. So this is HTML coding, and we are going to see in future videos how to code it. And I'll open another website to make you understand it clear. For example, let me open Wikipedia. It's loading, and when we click Wikipedia, you could see that its homepage is being loaded. And let me type Nissan GTR. It's opening its web page, and let me again click inspect element. And again, there you could see that it is showing HTML at the top of it. In this, we can understand it's the most important thing in making a website, and it's also the basic thing to know. So like that, you can see, you can open a favorite website and right click it, and you click the view inspect or inspect element or whatever it's your default browser, and then you could see the codings, and you can try to understand it. And this is for this video guys, and in next video I will show which are the best text editor for editing and HTML web page, because an editor is a really important thing. Like it's like you're using a notepad and then Microsoft Word. There's lots of difference when you're using a notepad and Microsoft Word, because in notepad you don't have that much option, but in in Word you have lots of things. So it's like that only. We can also code HTML5 or whatever web designing coding it is. You can design it in Notepad, but for your convenience, you can use it in text editor. So that's the thing which I'm going to show you next video. And thanks for watching. See you next video.